Opensea has indicated that it's open to deals, including being acquired itself, even though it has no active plans to be acquired. And, I really just felt like this one is worth pointing out because some of the numbers here are quite startling in terms of Opensea really losing control over the NFT market. At its peak, it accounted for 90% of the NFT market. But a year later, its volumes are down 96%, just to 171 million in the month of January. I mean, this is a company that was valued at $13.3 billion in 2022. What happens after?
I think, what happens here is crypto is a very fickle game. I think a lot of people are attached to token drops. I think we saw Blur step in and say, hey, we could do this in a more Web3 native way. And I think OpenSea, you live by the sword, die by the sword. When you're dealing with taking VC money and all that space, your hands are a bit tied sometimes. And if you don't want to lean into crypto and appealing to degens, and sometimes you can't if you're dealing with VC money or following the rules, it does become a little bit tricky.